I have 4 kits that I've been working on for the last 2 days. I'm going to show you them now, and I have to say they're identical. So I'm just going to put some of the red and green bits out your way so you can't see them. I'll show you them last because they're free. Like I said, I've been sorting some things out. I've got boxes and bags of, you know, like all over the place that I'm just going through one at a time, selling off what I don't need, unwanted items, and then the rest of them are going to be put on the shop and that if I haven't got them on already. So at the moment I'm just going to share with you this kit. It's 4 identical kits. Now I've put several lots of fabric in them. So these are like an A4 sheet. Well, they're bigger than an A4 sheet. Beautiful pink cotton. That's gorgeous. Patterns may differ, but they're more or less the same. And we've got that one. Just so you've got some really nice fabrics to play with. These are inexpensive kits. And if you miss out, there's nothing I can do about it. You know? So, hopefully you don't miss out. So there's 4 different fabrics you've got. I've put some of the cream or white roses in. I've done 2 boxes of these mixed with all... I'm not going to get them out because I've tied them up, but they've got all kinds of things. And those sprays that I sell, you can make your own sprays from what's in these kits. So you've those 2 boxes full. You've also got this full as well, chocker. So you've got those as well. You've got the large tassel, the large key, the bronze key. Now I've put some trims. This is that thick wool. So, I mean, you can use it for all kinds of reasons. It's up to you to play around and come up with something. One of these carved beads. I've put a bunch of these in for you as well. Some of the white and the pink flowers, the silk flowers. Oh, that's to go in that set there. I'll show you that in a minute because that's a free gift that goes with this box. Then one of those beautiful appliques. A lace doily. Some chenille wool, absolutely gorgeous for you to play around with. The Nottingham lace. That lace. Hang on. Just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous trimmings. This vintage one in white. There's quite a bit there. Then we've got this one, the eyelash, what we call the eyelash trim. Then that one with the spots on. Beautiful, beautiful lace. Look at this one. Wide lace. Another vintage one, which is that one. The one I like to make the flowers with. The embroidered one. This is the cotton one. Makes gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. And that's cotton eyelet. Then you've got the crochet one. Another lacy one. That's gorgeous. Some gross grain ribbon in white that you can colour. That's the cotton eyelet one, my gathered one. And you got some of this Goupier one. That one. Again, makes another gorgeous flower. Let me just pop this on here. A vintage one. That is just, it's a genuine vintage lace. That is gorgeous. Some braid. Chinese braid. And then I've put that one in. And I've put that one. Let me just fold that up. I don't like them when they're in a mess. Yeah, so you've got that one. 2 meters of the fused pearl. That one. Gorgeous trim. The cream ribbon. Non-woven ribbon. Gross grain in that one. Oh, you've 2 of these. You've got 2 of the doilies. The lace cut doilies. So that is the kit. Now I'm just going to put that. Let me take a picture of it. And then I'll show you the free items that come with this kit. I'm just going to pop this away. So if you miss out on this, you know, I can't help you. I don't want you to miss out on anything, of course. So hopefully you won't. Like I say, these are absolutely chocker with things for you to play around with and make those sprays. You know, and it'd be good that you get these. And then that one again, chocker, full of all the new items. These are the newest ones. And there's the cameos in the bottom as well. Let me just put these in here. So yeah, it's 4 available. Grab them while you can. These will not last long, I can guarantee you that. And if you can't afford them, and I say they are inexpensive, but if you can't afford them right away, I can put them away for you. But I want them sold before Christmas, because this is my pocket money. I'm going to London to my daughter's. And of course I've got to go shopping there. And the more I get in, the more I can share with you. For you to buy and that, you know. So, let's have a look. That's already full. And I'm going to fill it up more in a minute. So that's that. Now, this is the freebie. If you buy that kit, you're going to get the red velvet for Christmas, so you can make something with that. The green velvet, 2-inch wide it is. The little Christmas tree. Some green bells. 3 red roses. This is all if you're going to buy this kit. This is a freebie. The berries, because it'll give you something to play with as well. The red crochet mat. And then some red lace. And that is your freebie to go with that kit if you go ahead and buy the kit. Okay? So run along. Grab it while you can from the shop. It won't last. And there's only 3 available. And it's first come, first served. And that is one fantastic kit. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.